Welcome back, everybody. 5:15. We're still dry for the majority of us, but a few sprinkles, light showers now creeping in towards Muskegon. We'll get to that radar momentarily. It's going to turn out to be a damp morning, not necessarily because we're anticipating a whole lot of rain, but there will be some rain showers building in, I would say, around 7:30. And going through the noon hour. They will be light. It's going to turn us gloomier, though. A different type of a weather story today versus what we had yesterday. And how nice was the story Thursday and Friday. We got to 61 on Thursday, got to 66 degrees yesterday. But we will spend most hours today actually in the upper half of the 40s. Eventually, I think we'll climb back to, say, 50 or 51 by late day. There's a look at the current observations, mildest along the lakeshore. But those folks, you folks, will be turning cooler here momentarily as winds start to shift to the west, eventually northwest. We'll have some light rain showers at 9 a.m. Similar deal at noon, 44, followed by a 46. Yeah, some rain-cooled air. Eventually, we'll just be cloudy this afternoon, but there may actually be a couple breaks for sun late day, particularly 5, 6, 7 o'clock and beyond. That's an optimistic way of looking at it, though. This is definitely going to be a cloudier type of an afternoon. Future rainfall, again, rain amounts not significant, between about 0.05 of an inch to as much as, say, maybe 0.15 or so once you get north and west of GR. So some scattered light rain showers today. Sunshine and milder again tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to turn out very similar to what we had yesterday and on Thursday. Maybe not quite as warm, but the upper 50s I think we can get to with almost unlimited sunshine, I would think. Minimal clouds around tomorrow, and then some additional wet weather at times later Monday, and then probably again later on Tuesday with some scattered showers. Even a thunder shower has potential to come about by later on Tuesday as milder air gets in the mix. But as I've been talking about on the weather segments the last couple of days, as we progress through later next work week into next weekend and beyond, there's going to be some shots of cooler air, and the deeper those blues are on the map, that is the expectation for departures from normal to be negative. So our average highs will be in the mid 50s or so at that point next weekend. We're going to be below normal, perhaps well below normal at times. So we are not just bursting out in spring weather here for any great length of time. Looks like we're going into a cooler spell, and that'll be the story for today. This is this narrow area of rain showers that is closing down on the region. We'll pick up on the model as we go along towards 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Those cruise right through the GR to Kalamazoo zone, and then off towards the Detroit area this afternoon. This cold front, though, is losing its oomph to a little bit. It's not going to be bringing down as cold of air as they've seen over the Central Plains the last few days in the 20s and 30s, but definitely you will notice a difference. By the time we start to clear these clouds out, it's probably not going to be until later this evening, though, as I said, we may get a couple breaks for sun late day into early evening and then really start to scour out the clouds overnight tonight. That sets up for a beautiful Sunday with plentiful sunshine, Brody. We'll get back to 57. And then we got a couple days in the 60s there, Monday and Tuesday, but we start to nosedive late week, Thursday, Friday into next weekend. Temps in the 40s.
It's something to look forward to. Thank you for that. Remember, you can always get the latest forecast of the Fox 17 weather app. Download it free through the Google Play and Apple app stores. You can also hear our top stories on your Amazon Echo device. That's where our Fox 17 flash briefings.